There are always special holiday book themes and movie collections on display on the left side of the first floor of the library from the entrance, between the circulation desk and the entrance to media services. Also, this space is available to both majors and organizations to use for displays in any season.
That's great. Or, yeah, or we can use your hand.
This one's hand, is true.
Voice and hand model.
And then we can like get the whole like library to like glow or something.
Alright, a minute 15. That's pretty good, right?
I think that's legit.
We'll do a minute 30 just for funsies.
Trying to be free for it.
If people cannot tell what these are, they're retarded, right?
They're